Hello, my friend. Welcome to Professor's Garage. It has been an incredible journey. This is Professor K, but you can call me John. Today we are celebrating a remarkable milestone 1,000 subscribers. Wow, this moment wouldn't have been possible without you. So, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for all your support, for tuning in, and for making this community thrive. Let me take a moment to share a bit about myself. I'm an immigrant from the vibrant cultures of Asia, with roots in South China and the Philippines. Settling in the land of the free, I have come to truly cherish the values of free speech, worshiping your own God, and tinkering around in your own garage. In my professional life, I wear a different hat as a tenured professor in computing and information sciences. My expertise lies in information retrieval, you know, the inner workings of web search engines, and diving deep into the world of big data analytics. I started in engineering and spent several years in the tech sector as a lead engineer, building systems and infrastructures that serve millions of users on a daily basis. That's over 20 years ago, and I then decided to go back to school for my master's and PhD, or some refer to as permanent head damage. I have been on the faculty in a private university in Pennsylvania, USA for the last 13 years. Amidst all of this, there has been one constant, my genuine love for car care and repairs. It's more than just a hobby, it's a passion. And the opportunity to share my experiences and knowledge with all of you has been nothing short of amazing. I'm not a professional mechanic, but what I practice in engineering and my teaching and research in the world of computing and analytics is highly relatable to attacking problems in the garage. It's all about turning theory into practice and demonstrating as we teach. My research revolves around evidence and analysis, and that's the key to proper car care, diagnostics, and repairs. When it comes to cars, I have had the pleasure of owning a variety of brands, from American classics like my Ford, which ended up being donated after a series of rather hefty troubles, to the precision of Japanese engineering with Honda, Toyota, and Lexus. European brands like Mercedes-Benz have also graced my garage. And hinting at what's to come, perhaps there is a Subaru on the horizon. But here is the thing. I'm not here to showcase my cars. I'm here to walk on them while sharing the best of my knowledge with you. As fellow weekend warriors, we know that time, space, and tools are limited resources. So I have committed to keeping my videos concise, no nonsense, yet detailed enough for you to follow along even with non-professional equipment. Now, if you happen to hear the occasional background noise in my videos, be it the sound of balls bouncing, some music playing, or even the delightful barking of a dog, take a moment to enjoy it. You see, there are the inhabitants in this household, each with their own unique interests and talents, but none as obsessed with car repairs as yours truly. Thank you for being here today. It's been an incredible journey so far, and I'm thrilled to have your company on this shared adventure. Looking to the road ahead, watch out for more car care tips and DIY adventures. Very soon, there will be videos on OBD2 scanners, coolant replacement, and on the very question of whether or how you can perform accurate wheel alignment in the garage. Remember, if a professor can do it, you can do it. Until next time, may the Lord bless you and grant peace to you and your loved ones. 平安。